Ready to unlock your creativity and make this Valentine's Day unforgettable? Watch now and get inspired. Transform your ordinary chocolate box into a breathtaking Valentine's Day decoration. Learn simple DIY techniques to create stunning romantic decor that will impress your loved ones. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day, friends. Thank you for filling my life with so much laughter and love. Hey, crafters! Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. Valentine's Day is knocking at the door, and I'm obsessed with turning everyday items into something magical. Don't just throw away those empty boxes. Give them a second chance and create something beautiful that embodies the spirit of love. This DIY project is perfect for a date night activity, a fun craft session with friends, or a thoughtful handmade gift for your significant other, family, or friends. This tutorial is for you. Without further ado, let's dive into the process. All right, let's get crafting. First things first, our chocolate box. You want to make sure it's clean and dry. I'm using this lovely heart-shaped box today, but this works for any shape. I've got some beautiful copper mica powder which I have mixed well with little thicker resin and layering a first coat on the chocolate box and let it rest to dry. Here I am making some attractive resin-molded decorative detailed items for ornamentation. Golden glitter dust, glittery green pigments, and green wooden dust are mixed with resin and poured into the molds. After curing, we'll demold all the items. So why chocolate boxes? Honestly, they're the perfect canvas. They're usually sturdy, they have a nice heart shape, and they're practically begging for a makeover. And Valentine's Day is just around the corner, right? This is the perfect DIY gift that shows you put in extra thought and effort. Plus, who doesn't love a beautiful box to keep hanged on the wall or memories in long after the chocolates are gone? Transform your ordinary chocolate box into a breathtaking Valentine's Day decoration. Learn simple DIY techniques to create stunning romantic decor that will impress your loved ones. This video is packed with creative ideas for upcycling and crafting the perfect Valentine's gift or home accent. Discover how to add personalized touches and elevate your crafting game. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire process from preparing your chocolate box to achieving a flawless, glossy finish with resin. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with resin art, our expert tips will help you create professional-looking results. Discover how to add embellishments, colors, and even incorporate resin-molded items or golden glitter to make your resin-embellished boxes truly one of a kind. Here's a pro tip. Before you even mix your resin, lay out your design inside the box. This way, you can visualize exactly how it will look once it's encased in resin. See? I'm placing all these delicate demolded items inside the box and have poured the resin on them. But unfortunately, these video clips have deleted by mistake. Anyway, you can understand it's after resin-filled look. This total process will take 4 to 5 days. As you can see on the very first day, I have coated the empty chocolate box with copper glittery resin, then dry it, and have made some resin-molded items for embellishment that day. And let them to be cured for 24 hours. After curing, demolded them and have prepared a layout inside the box with them and preserved them with resin. Allowed it to be hardened for another 24 hours. I am using here some resin-molded items related to Valentine theme, golden glitter pen, and acrylic pens for highlighting, designing as embellishments. What kind of embellishments do you guys love to use in your resin crafts? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas. After finishing all the highlightings, I will pour the resin for one more time to preserve all the designs. Okay, resin time. Safety first. Always work in a well-ventilated area. I've got my trusty epoxy resin here. It's a two-part system. Part A, the resin, and Part B, the hardener. The magic happens when you mix them. The most important part of mixing resin is that you should follow the manufacturer's instructions. I have shared this mixing process before in my vlogs. You can check. Usually, it's a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 ratio. Measure precisely. I have taken and mixed little extra hardener as here it's cold weather and heavy moisture present in atmosphere. It might not cure properly if the ratio will be the same. Precision is the key, folks. Now, for the mixing. Stir slowly and deliberately for about 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the cup to ensure everything is fully incorporated. You'll see the mixture go from cloudy to clear as you mix. Keep going until it's completely clear and you don't see any streaks. Make sure you get all that hardener mixed in. Trust me, I've had projects that didn't cure because I rushed this step. Patience is a virtue in resin crafting. As you pour, you will see tiny bubbles. Don't panic. After you've poured your resin into the box, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows most of the smaller bubbles to rise to the surface naturally. Now, ready for the magic wand. It's my heat gun. Or you can use a long arm lighter, just be very careful. Hover the heat gun a few inches above the surface and move it constantly. You'll see those tiny bubbles pop like magic. Seriously, it's so satisfying. Don't mold it in one spot or you risk scorching the resin or your project. And the final tip for a flawless finish? Patience. Once poured, cover your project to protect it from dust and let it cure completely. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours depending on your resin. Resist the urge to touch it. It's been about 48 hours and it's completely cured. It's so beautiful. Now it's time to cover its sidelines. I have used here Valentine-themed red-colored pipe cleaner sticks for covering it with hot glue sticks. You can use any kind of red color ribbons, jute, cords, or decoupage with tissues. I have taken 3 pipe cleaner sticks here and have crisscrossed them together to get a fluffy, embossed texture. Make them all ready, stick them one by one. Trim them wherever needed, and make a double layers for good looking. You can easily understand this step by watching it. You can check my pipe cleaner stick tricks vlog through the link below in the description box. Let's see how our chocolate box turned out. This is why I love resin crafting. It takes something so simple and makes it absolutely extraordinary. Imagine gifting this. It's so personal and beautiful. Transform your ordinary chocolate box into a breathtaking Valentine's Day decoration. Learn simple DIY techniques to create stunning romantic decor that will impress your loved ones. This video is packed with creative ideas for upcycling and crafting the perfect Valentine's gift or home accent. Discover how to add personalized touches and elevate your crafting game. For a final touch, I am going to add some more attractive love resin molds where I have felt the most to get 3D effects. I will give a brush coating of clear resin on them later. This step also I skip here. Side bordering with pipe cleaners is completed. Look how cute all these are. Now I'm attaching them one by one with glue sticks and coloring them. What do you think? Are you inspired to try this? What would you put inside your resin decorated chocolate box? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. Remember those key tips. Prep your design, measure your resin accurately, mix thoroughly but slowly use heat to pop bubbles, and most importantly, be patient during curing. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fun and easy craft tutorials like this one. We've got so many exciting projects coming up. So there you have it, a super easy way to transform a simple chocolate box into a stunning personalized gift. Elevate your Valentine's Day with this stunning chocolate box transformation using resin. Learn how to turn ordinary chocolate boxes into exquisite keepsakes with simple resin pouring techniques. Perfect for DIY lovers and crafters looking for unique gift ideas or beautiful home decor. Oh my goodness, look at that! The resin molded butterfly, love signs, the love-written calligraphy are perfectly preserved. The golden glitter is sparkling, and that finish is just chef's kiss. It's so smooth, so glossy. It looks like a piece of art, doesn't it? Way better than just tossing the box, right? Imagine gifting a beautifully transformed chocolate box that your loved one will cherish forever. It's a fantastic way to add a personal love touch to your Valentine's Day celebrations. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and getting creative. I hope this inspires you to look at your old chocolate boxes with new eyes. Happy crafting, everyone! I'll see you in the next video where we'll be making some adorable Valentine resin crafting items. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Bye for now. Stay tuned for the next. Jai Shiv Shakti.